Hi, this is the team from Easel. Today we're going to be talking about the newest addition to the Easel toolbar, the Monogram Generator. From the Easel toolbar on the left-hand side of the screen, select the Monogram Generator, which is the bottommost option on the toolbar. When you click it, it will bring you into a window and you'll be able to generate a new monogram. First, add the text that you want on your monogram. Then you'll be able to select the font for your monogram, and then the style for your monogram. And there's a couple of different styles to choose from. And then you'll be able to choose your cut option, either engraving, which will engrave it into a piece of material, or cutout, which will cut out the monogram from your material. Once you have all of those selections made, you can click on Generate, and this will bring the monogram into Easel. That's just a little bit more about the Monogram Generator in Easel. Have a wonderful day.
To learn more, head over to easel.com.